If you have been following my video, if you are not a newcomer to my previous video, you will still remember all this place. Our tank, then the building, and the other side. Now that everybody is bringing in the permanent structure, we have also decided to turn this place to erect our permanent structure, and we have started that already. We have just done the clearing of this place. You will recall these blocks that I show you in the beginning of this our video. Now we have cleared this, we are going to erect permanent structure here. So we are doing that as soon as possible. So you can see that we have cleared here. This place was formerly host that our shoko vegetable. So we have cleared it in preparation for the structure, as you can see. And the other side is in the previous video. That is where we planted our ewedu and shoko that time. So now we have cleared them. It was serious bush, so we have just started the clearing. The front field, we have erected shops there. 7 shops are already there, and this place we are just doing the clearing, as you can see. So we are not erecting structure here yet, so we are going to still maintain this one for one farming season. So when they finish the clearing, we will let you see what crops we are bringing here. So thank you. See you as we are gradually progressing. After this one, we'll be moving to our Owode site to do the same thing what we did here. So that's Owode. Though we didn't put agriculture, our farm there, because of the problem of the Fulanis. The other time we planted pawpaw and banana, they destroy it. So since that time, we didn't put any farming structure. We didn't put much farming structure there. So we have started developing that one also. When I get there next week, I will let you see it. So gradually, we'll be turning that place that it is presently bush to home, the same way we are doing to this place. Thank you.